Hello, my name is Ruen Marroquin, and today I am going to talk about my goals and the plans for the future. Um, this year, I am going to change some of my habits to improve my lifestyle. I am going to wake up early and organize my daily activities better because I want to be more productive. Also, I am going to eat healthier and take care on my physical and mental health. I will start exercising regularly because I am want to feel better and reduce stress. Additionally, I will focus more on my academic responsibility and avoid procrastination. I will try to learn new skills that can help my professional life. Um, I am going to set improved personal and academic goals, and I am academic life. I am going to improve my English level and strength, my knowledge in my career. I am in my personal life. I am going to be more disciplined and consistent and to achieve my goals. 5 years, I see myself as successful professional, it stable goals and debate quality of life. Thank you very much. Thank you.